Hello, hackers. Myself Jai Surya, back with wonderful course for you all. Are you planning to start your career in cybersecurity? Don't know where to start? Want to build your career as a hacker or a penetration tester? So fine. This is the right course to start with. You will learn all the required computer network concepts with practical knowledge like router configuration, hub switch configuration with all Cisco packet tracer software, and then you will able to learn OSA model and the layers working principle, then TCP model and all about the topologies, then configuration of the topology with using Cisco packet tracer. Then in the next part, MAC, media access control, DNS and DNS cache poisoning, and then DNS hijacking will be discussed in this part. Then next, wireless hacking. We will discuss wireless hacking like WPA, WPA2, encryption and decryption, the concept behind the encryptions and WPA3 cracking techniques, and then what is three-way handshaking concept. So coming to the bonus, we are going to provide you with one of the bonus session here. So in the bonus session, you will able to learn Wireshark, TCP dump, Maltigo. Only practicals. I will show you the live demonstration on these tools, and so the tools knowledge will be from beginner to the intermediate level. So I want to tell you this course is best course and a resource to add into your pocket to start your career in cybersecurity. Thank you.